Hello and welcome to Ischia. Have you ever heard about this Italian island? No, don't worry, me neither before I visited, but I fell in love from the first second when I stepped into Ischia. There is something different about the island. In this video, I will show you the 4 best cities on the island, which you must visit, plus I will give you some tips about transport and accommodation. So, let's get started. The only way of getting to the island of Ischia is by sea. The ferries and hydrofoils from Naples connect the island for the whole year. During the summer, active ferry routes are from different ports in Amalfi Coast or Sorrento. The nearest airport is Naples. Getting from the airport to the port is accessible by taking the shuttle bus. Ischia has 3 ports served by public sea transport. Where to land depends on the area in which you are going to stay. The bus is the most cost-effective way of getting around Ischia. Buses are frequent and run from early morning until late at night. I was surprised by how well the public transport is organized. The tickets can be purchased in bars, tobacconists, newsagents, travel agencies, and hotels. I recommend buying daily or weekly tickets depending on the length of your stay. There are 2 lines, CD and CS, which run around the island. With the daily ticket, you can use them as hop-on hop-off buses and see the entire island. Many more lines can take you from one town to another. There is also the possibility of renting a car or motorbike. Bear in mind that the roads are tiny and parking is limited. Ischia town is one of the most popular places on the island, and also most lively too. The town is divided into 2 areas, Ischia Porto and Ischia Ponte. Ischia Porto is situated in the northeast of the island and is home to the main port from where it's possible to take the ferry. Ischia Ponte is home to one of Ischia's most iconic and intriguing sites, Castello Aragonese, which is the symbol of Ischia. Whilst ambling through the winding streets towards the dramatic site of the medieval castle, it's easy to understand why the town has been so fiercely defended throughout its surprising history. I personally recommend staying in the town of Ischia as there is much to do plus many accommodation options. Sant'Angelo is actually a small village. It is the village within the commune of Serrara Fontana, built next to a giant rock with a small strip of beach that joins the 2 parts of the town. There are shops, restaurants and cafes that allow you to watch the boats in the small marina and to take in the views across the Tyrrhenian Sea. It has Santorini vibes. It is the reason why I love this place. If you like a quiet holiday, this is definitely the place for you. If you want to explore the island and see other parts, I recommend staying here only for a few nights or making a day trip here.
Sì, però ho capito, sì, sì.
Situated along the western coast of Ischia, Forio is the island's second largest town. Forio is characterized by its picturesque town center, shops, cinema, restaurants, bars, and cafes. It's also home to the church, Chiesa del Soccorso, which is one of the prettiest sights in Ischia, whilst, in the center of Forio, you will find the Tyrrhenian Museum, an ancient lookout tower that was built to keep enemy forces at bay. Just to be aware, many restaurants are closed in the afternoon because of the siesta.
Buongiorno, good morning.
Buongiorno.
Good morning, ristorante pizzeria.
Yes.
Have a lovely day.
Thank you.
There is also lovely sandy beach which is not overcrowded. Forio also can be reached from Nepal by hydrofoils. Casamicciola is best known for its thermal spas such as Castiglione Thermal Park and Ovagnatiello Thermal Park, but also for its pretty set of shops and cafes like bar calais and also restaurants from which you can happily watch the world go by whilst enjoying traditional Ischia cuisine. Speaking about the restaurant, I need to tell you there is a habit of getting free snacks with your drinks. I like it as I could try different Italian snacks. Casamicciola history as a thermal resort can be traced back to ancient times when the Romans first discovered the therapeutic properties of the island's thermal springs. Due to my short time on the island, I did not manage to visit the thermal springs, but I am coming for this experience. This town is family friendly and a great place to relax. Casamicciola has small port. It is usually for short excursion. This is the end of my Ischia trip. If you like the video, I would appreciate your liking or subscribing to my channel. Hopefully, my advice helps you to have the best trip ever in Ischia. See you somewhere around the world.